Yes, students, there was a glitch, so I'm connecting back. So I've shared my screen. So next question, choose the word that is a necessary part of the underlined word, that is guitar. So in guitar, what is a necessary part? Okay, a guitar cannot be played without strings. Hence, string is the necessary part of a guitar. So without strings, we cannot play the guitar. So the necessary part of the guitar must be strings. The next question we will check. 108. The priest told the devotee, the bell rings at regular intervals of 45 minutes. So the bell is ringing at every regular interval of 45 minutes. The last bell rang 5 minutes ago. The next bell is due to be rung at 7:45 a.m. At what time did the priest give this information to the devotee? See here, let us say this is the exact point of time when the priest is telling the thing to their devotee. The last bell rang 5 minutes ago. So this is the time when the priest is telling their devotee, and last bell rang 5 minutes ago. So 5 minutes back, there was a bell ringing. There was a bell ringing. So they said between every two bells, there is a gap of 45 minutes. So from this bell to the next bell, how much time will be there? 45 minutes. Okay. And already the bell has rung, so 5 minutes are done. So how much more time is required to get the next ring? That is 40 minutes. So how did I get that 40 minutes? That is already in 45 minutes of time, 5 minutes over. So in next 40 minutes time, bell is going to ring. But the next bell is due to be rung at 7:45 a.m. So this time is 7:45 a.m. And now we have to calculate the time when the priest told their devotee. From 7:45 a.m. we have to go 40 minutes back. 40 minutes back means we can do subtraction. So let's write hours here, minutes here. 7:45. From 7:45 we need to subtract 40 minutes. So 7 is as it is, but this is 05. That is 7:05 a.m. Option C. So at which time priest told this information to the devotee? 7:05. Any doubts here? Can raise a hand. Yes, Shanvit.
Sir,
Yes, Shanvit.
sir, what do you mean by bit?
Bit. It is there in one of the previous questions. Is it there in one of the previous questions?
Yes, sir.
Which question?
One or two.
You went long back to one or two. So we'll take it later.
Okay, sir.
Any doubts here in this one? Cyber then? Cyber, do you have any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, sir, in 107, guitar is also for songs, na?
They said the necessary part. Necessary part means without any song also we can play the guitar, right? We can play some music, but without strings, guitar cannot be played, right? Necessary part,
Okay,
it is necessary. Without that, we cannot use.
okay, sir.
Okay. Vedashree, Vedashree, have any doubt?
Sir, yes.
Speak loudly.
Sir, your voice is cutting.
I think there's a problem with your internet, or you can try to leave the class and join again.
Okay, sir.
Mayuk?
Sir,
Yes, Mayuk?
I have another method.
Yes, you can.
Sir, the next bell ring at 7:45 now, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we can subtract 45 minus 744 and add a plus 5. We can get the answer.
Yeah, the same thing. From 745, you subtract 45, you'll get 7. And then you can add 5. Both are same.
Okay.
Good. Vihan? Vihan?
Sir, please explain again 108 question. I do not understand.
108, priest
Yes,
is
sir.
telling the devotee that the bells are ringing at the intervals of 45 minutes. That means if a bell is ringing now, after 45 minutes, the next bell will ring. And again, after 45 minutes, the next bell will ring. So, what priest told the devotee at that point of time, already a bell has rung 5 minutes ago. So, to get the next ring of the bell, so they have to wait for how much minutes? How many minutes?
So 40 minutes.
40 minutes, right? And they said
Yes.
next bell is due to be rung at 7:45 a.m. So next bell timing is 7:45 and more 40 minutes are required. So that to get the exact point of time, we need to subtract 40, right?
Yes, sir.
7:45 minus 40 you do, you'll get 7:05 a.m.
Okay, sir.
Anvijay? Anvijay? Anvijay, you're not audible. Okay, we'll go to the next one. So next, 109. Which letter replaces the question mark? So E, M, H, N, O, A, I, question mark, and D. So let us try to write their corresponding positions, number positions. So let me write again. E, we know it is 5, M 13, H 8, N 14, O 15, A 1, I 9, and this we have to find out, and D is 4. So in every row you can observe one pattern, that is 5 and 8 sum is 13, and second row 14 and 1 sum is 15, and third row 9 and 4 sum is 13. We need to identify the 13th letter, and we know 13th letter is going to be M. 13th letter is M. So option D. So very simple question. So option D is correct. Next question. In a code, Bombay is coded as CNNABX. Then what will be the code of Delhi? So we need to identify this. So this is coding decoding question. So how Bombay is changed to CNNABX we need to find, and Delhi how it will be changed. So let's write here. Bombay is changed as CNNABX. So first we need to identify the pattern how it is changed. So before that I need to write the corresponding positions of the letters. B we know it is 2, O is 15, M is 13, B2, A1 and Y 25, and C is 3, N 14, N 14, A1, B2 and X is 24. Now let us identify the relation. So from 2, how did we get this 3? That is minus 1. So this is minus 1. From 15 also minus 1. But this is plus 1. And this is minus 1. And this is plus 1. And this is minus 1. So what is the pattern that we observed? Plus 1, minus 1, plus 1. We need to apply on Delhi. So DELHI. So let's write the corresponding numbers. D is 4, E is 5, minus 1 is 7, and 9 plus 1 is 10. So we have to write the letters now. Fifth letter is E, fourth letter is D, 13th letter is M, seventh letter is G, and 10th letter is J. So EDMGJ, that is option D is correct. The answer is D. So any doubts till here, you can raise a hand. Adit? Adit?
Sir,
Yes, Adit.
sir, what is the meaning of bit?
Bit which question?
Sir, 103.
103. So while I was explaining, you are raising hand the previous question. Yes, 103. Bit means, so there are so many meanings. Like we can say bits of paper, or suppose if it is related to the memory, we'll say 0 and 1 as bits. 8 bits together is 1 byte. Like we have the memory, right? Image qualities, the size is kilobyte, etc. 1 byte contains 8 bits. Bit means what? 0 and 1. They are called bits. Computer has understood only the binary language. 0 and 1. 0 and 1s are called bits. Okay? So in different context, different meaning will be used for bit. Adit?
Sir,
So here bit is not controlling, using controlling panel, we don't control bit, right? That's why it is wrong. You have any doubt in this question?
sir, no.
So next, Anvijay. Anvijay.
Sir, video is stucking.
So try to leave the class and join once.
Sorry.
Nishika. Nishika, you have any doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in 108 question, what is priest?
Priest means he's a teacher, okay, teaching the religion, like some slokas, etc. Okay. Lokesh. Lokesh.
Sir, what is
Yes.
meaning of
Speak loudly.
sir, what is meaning of
You're not clear. You're asking about the previous question.
sir?
Which one?
Sir, 108.
Yes, 108. What are you asking? Come again.
Sir, devotee.
Devotee means their students. It's like teacher and student. Teacher is priest and student is devotee, but they are not related to any subject. They are related to the religion. Okay. So priest is like teacher and devotee is like student. So whatever is the priest is teaching, they'll understand. They will do it. Okay. Next question. So segregate, unify, repair. I think they are antonyms. Yes, they are antonyms. Unify, it is the antonym of segregate. And similarly, what is the antonym of repair? Segregate means what? Like we are separating into groups. So if they are together, we are separating them. That is called segregate. So the opposite word of segregate is unify. Similarly, if something is damaged, then we will repair. So what is the opposite word of repair? Damaging. That is option C, damage. Let's go to the next question. How many triangles are there in the following figure below? So how many triangles are there? We need to count. So let me use the yellow color triangles to count. So first I will be counting the smaller sized triangles like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So the number of this sized, smaller sized circles we got 8. So let's write 8 here. And now search for any bigger sized triangles. Yes, we can find one more triangle like this. So this is one triangle, and there is another triangle here. There is another triangle here, and one more triangle here. So we got 4. So this is 8 plus 4. And search for any other type of triangles. I think there are no other sized triangles. So the answer is 12. And it is option B. So any doubt still here can raise a hand. Mayuk?
Sir? Sir, what happened?
Yes, Mayuk.
Sir, I have a doubt in 111th question.
111.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mayuk.
So outwit means?
Outwit.
Yes, sir.
Outwit is something related to. Um, it is related to the greater version of ourselves. Like, suppose we are at one level, it is related to the next level. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you are in any competition and we got defeated by somebody else who is playing next level of game, okay, somebody who is having a greater strength, then getting defeated by the greater strength ones are next level players.
Yes, sir.
That is outwit.
Okay, sir. And
Nishan Sai. Nishan Sai.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me what is your doubt.
Sir, what is the meaning of approach?
Approach means going towards that. Okay.
Okay,
Approach,
sir.
there are two meanings. Like suppose if you have any question, so what is your approach? How you are going to solve that question? That is, what is your approach to the question? And another one is going near anything is called approaching. For example, you're traveling to any places, and before you reach that place, we say that we are approaching that place. Approaching means we are reaching near. Anvijay, is your problem solved? Anvijay,
Sir,
is your problem solved? You said something like screen is not visible.
yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Sorry.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, 112. Explain again, sir.
112. So I have shown the triangles also, right? So smaller sized triangles, how many we got? 8, right?
Yes, sir.
And somewhat bigger sized triangles, we got 4. Total 12, that's it. So I've shown the triangles also, right? So
Sir, I got only 2.
one sized triangle. Like this, how many are there? 8 are there, right?
Wait.
And this type of triangles, how many are there? 4 are there, right?
Yes, sir.
In total 12.
Sir, I got only 2 bigger triangles.
No. 8 smaller plus 4 bigger. Total 12 you will be getting.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. 113. Rahul started walking straight towards east. He walks a certain distance and then turns towards his right and walks again. In which direction is he heading now? Again, direction sense. So started walking east. So this is the direction of Rahul in the beginning, that is towards east. He walks a certain distance and then turns towards his right. See, while walking like this will be your left and this will be your right. So he turned right. So this is right and walks again. So turning right and walking again. In which direction is he heading now? So he's going in the south direction. Option C. Next question. From the given options, choose the odd one out. Bangladesh, Taka, Brazil, Real, Cyprus, dollar, and Iran, Real. So it's related to currencies, right? In all the other pages, the second word represents the currency of the first, and the currency of Cyprus is euro, but they said it is dollar. So all the others are correctly matched country and its currency except Cyprus. Bangladesh currency is Taka, correctly matched. Brazil currency is Real, correctly matched. Iran currency is Real. See, these two reals are different. Spellings you can identify REAL and RIAL. So all the A, B, D are correctly matched, but C. Cyprus currency is euro, but they said it is dollar. So this is incorrectly matched. So we have to choose C. 115. Tanya is older than Eric. Cliff is older than Tanya. Eric is older than Cliff. If the first two statements are true, the third statement is okay. They said this is statement number one, this is statement number two, and this is statement number three. They said if the first two statements are true, this is true and this is true, then the third statement. So using the first two statements, what can you say about the third statement? That is the question. So let us discuss the first one. Tanya is older than Eric. So I will be arranging them in this order, left to right. Okay. So older ones I will write on the right and younger ones I will write on the left. Okay. So left to right as we're going, we are increasing the age. So left to right, I'm increasing the age. So they said Tanya is older than Eric. So Tanya should be on the right of Eric. So giving the order, Tanya I placed on the right. So Tanya is older than Eric. Cliff is older than Tanya. So Cliff should be on the right of Tanya. So using these two. So now can we say the third statement? Eric is older than Cliff. Can we say Eric is older than Cliff? No, Eric is actually younger than Cliff because from Cliff, Eric is on the left. So it must be, the statement should be Eric is younger than Cliff. But the third statement, they said Eric is older than Cliff. So can we say that the third statement is true or false? It is false. Actually, Eric is younger than Cliff, but they said older. So option B. 115, it is option B. So any doubts still here can raise a hand. Vihan? Yes, Vihan?
Sir, 1114.
114? Yes.
Sir, dollar is used for only America.
No, some other countries also there. I have given you the complete list of countries and currencies. Have you gone through the sheet? We have
No, sir.
continent, country, capital, and currency. So you just remind me in the institute. I'll give it one copy. Okay. All the
Okay, sir.
I have given the list.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So, Vilochan. Vilochan. Vilochan, what is your doubt? You're not audible.
Vilochan.
Sir.
Yes, Vilochan, tell me.
Vilochan, what is your doubt?
Sir,
You're not audible.
113 question.
Sir. Yes, Vilochan, tell me.
Sir,
Vilochan, you are using any speaker or TV, like it's repeating my voice again.
Sir, you are using any speaker or TV, like it's repeating my voice again.
no, sir.
Vilochan, there is a problem from your side. Try to leave the class and join again. The same, my voice is getting repeated, so it's kind of a disturbance. Sidrupa, have any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, what is the meaning of uncertain?
Uncertain means there is a doubt. It may be true or may be false. We cannot decide. But in this case, we can decide it is false, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shivansh? Shivansh?
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you explain 15th question again?
115?
Yes, sir.
See, first they said Tanya is older than Eric. So how I am deciding is, while I am going from left to right, I will arrange them in the increasing order of their age. That means if somebody is older, I'll be placing them on the right. If somebody is younger, I'll be placing them on the left. So first statement they said Tanya is older than Eric. So Tanya and Eric. So whom I have to place on the right, Tanya or Eric?
Sir, Eric.
No, Tanya. I said older one I am arranging on the right, right? So who is older here? Tanya is older or Eric is older?
Sir, Tanya.
So Tanya should be on the right of Eric. Okay? Okay, Shivansh?
Sir.
Is Tanya on the right of Eric or not? Is Tanya on the right of Eric or not? Right?
Yes. Yes,
From
sir.
Eric, there are two directions, right and left, right? So Tanya is on the right of Eric. And second statement, Cliff is older than Tanya. So where I have to place Cliff? On the right of Tanya or on the left of Tanya?
Sir, right.
Yes, Cliff also on the right of Tanya. Okay. Now we have to compare Eric and Cliff. So now you tell me, Shivansh, Eric compared to Cliff, Eric is younger than Cliff or older than Cliff? Eric,
Sir,
yes,
sir.
younger because Eric is on the left, right?
Yes, sir.
When you are starting from Cliff, Eric is on the left. Left means what? Younger, right? But they said third statement is Eric is older than Cliff. So what do you say about the third statement? Is it true or false?
Sir, false.
That's why it is false.
Okay, sir.
Shivansh, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sarish, Sarish,
Sir,
yes.
sir, 114 question. Don't understand.
114. So 114 is about the countries and currencies. Bangladesh country, what is the our country India? What is the currency we use?
Rupee.
Rupee. Similarly, in world the other countries are using different currencies. In Bangladesh the currency is taka. Brazil
Yes.
currency is real. Iran currency is real. But Cyprus currency is not dollar, it is euro. So A, B, D are correctly matched, but option C is wrongly matched. So odd one out is C. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Let's go to the next one. What comes next in the given series? So let us write the corresponding numbers of them. A we know 1, C is 3, F is 6, H is 2 numbers are increasing. This is plus 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 3 plus 2 plus 3 and so on. So after 2, next we have to add 3. 13 plus 3 is 16. And what is 16th letter? 16th letter is P. Okay, the answer is C. Answer is C. Next question. A is B's sister. C is B's mother. D is C's father. E is D's mother. Then how is A related to D? So blood relation. So you need to practice the diagrams. A is B's sister. So let us write A here. A is B's sister. So sister, that means they are in the same generation. So we have to write in the same level. And A is B's sister. So A gender is revealed minus. So for female we are using minus and for male we are using plus. So A is B's sister, but B's gender is not revealed. B may be brother or sister because sister we can use the word for brother as well as sister. C is B's mother. C is B's mother. See, mother is older generation, so I'm writing the top of B. Older generations you have to write on the top, and newer generations you have to write on the bottom. So I'm sorry, it's not plus, it is minus because C is B's mother. Mother means female minus. D is C's father. D is C's father. So there is older generation of C, that is D is C's father. Father means we have to use plus. So because it's father, we are going to the one more older generation. So D is C's father. E is D's mother. E is D's mother. So the place is not sufficient. Let me move it down. E is D's mother. E is D's mother. Then how is A related to D? So the relation between A and D we have to find how A is related to D. So for D, how A is related? For D, C is daughter. Daughters child. Who is this child? We don't know. Whether it is son or daughter, we don't know. But son or daughter's brother. So what they will be? So what they will be called? That is granddaughter. Okay, because daughter's child and their sister. So that means it is granddaughter only because this girl minus represents she is a girl. So there is granddaughter option D. So here in this question there is no use of E. So just to make confuse and giving more information, E is given. So E is D's mother. That is not related to the question. A is related to D. So any doubts still here can raise a hand. Abhyuday. Abhyuday.
Sir,
Yes, Abhyuday. Speak loudly.
sir, it is stuck in, sir, while you are explaining.
Try to leave the class and join again and check your internet connectivity. Vilochan? Yes, Vilochan?
Sir, 113 question again explain, sir.
113. Yes. Very simple, right? Rahul started walking towards east direction. He walks certain distance and then turns towards his right. While you are in the east direction, if you are moving right, then you are in which direction?
South.
So that's it. What is your doubt in this?
Sir,
Nothing?
sir, 117 also.
117. Yes. So what is your doubt?
Sir, grandfather,
They are asking how is A related to D, not how D is related to A. Okay?
sir, okay.
That's why it is granddaughter. Cyber then.
Sir, same doubts, sir. A related to D. Grandfather.
I think you understood now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose if they ask the question how is D related to A, then it will be grandfather.
Grandfather.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Srikriti.
Sir,
Yes, Srikriti.
sir, I didn't understand, sir. 117 question.
117. Where particularly have not followed? Which part? Which part of the diagram you didn't understand?
Sir, total.
Total. Why total? You don't know how to write the levels in blood relations. A is B's sister. So A I should write side by side of B or top or bottom
Side by side.
because they are in the same generation, right? Brother sister or sister sister, right? So A is B's sister. And what is the relation between C and B? C is B's mother. So C where I have to write
Top of the B.
top of B, right? And what is the relation between C and D? D is C's father. Where I have to write D? On the top of C, right?
Yes.
E actually not related to this question because they are only asking the relation between A and D, but we will try to place E also. E is D's mother. E is on the top of D. Now they are asking how is A related to D? So start from D first. Okay. For D, who is C?
Daughter.
Daughter. Daughter's child. I'm saying child, I'm not saying son or daughter because B's gender is not revealed. Either it is male or female, we don't know. Okay. So daughter's son or daughter's daughter. Okay. They will be granddaughter or grandson, right? And for that granddaughter or grandson, A is the sister. So it will be granddaughter only, right?
Yes, sir.
I hope it's clear now.
Okay, sir.
Ramlikit. Ramlikit. Ramlikit, what is your doubt? Ramlikit, you're not audible. Satvik.
Sir, 116 question I didn't understand.
116, what happened? Very simple question, Satvik. Did you remember all the letters and their corresponding
Sir,
positions?
sorry, 113. Sir, 117.
117. Just now I explained to Srikruti once again. Did you follow over there?
Yes, sir.
Then what is your doubt? Tell me. Which part?
Sir, I didn't understand total, sir.
Why total? Did you follow blood relations chapter?
Yes, sir.
Tell me only one thing. If they are brothers or sister or something like husband and wife who are in the same generation, do you know what is same generation and different generations?
Yes, sir.
You and your father are in the same generation or different generation?
Sir, different. Sir,
Different.
same.
Different. Same. You're saying same. It's not same. Your father's generation is older generation, and your generation is new generation, right?
Yes.
So if you are relating your father to you have in your blood relation diagram, you have to place your father on the top of you because old generations are written on the top and new generations are written at the bottom. Okay, so if you just
Okay.
follow that, you can draw the picture and you can understand. Okay, so for
Okay.
A, B is the brother or sister, so they are in the same generation. For B, C is the mother, so C is written on the top. For C, D is the father, so C for C, D is written on the top. Now they're asking the relation between D and A, granddaughter.
Grand. Yes, sir.
So practice more questions in blood relations, Satvik.
Okay, sir.
Shanvit,
Sir,
yes.
sir, can you explain 116?
116 is very simple question. So did you remember all the letters and corresponding numbers?
Yes, sir.
A for 1, C for 3, you can write that and you can identify the difference. 1 3 difference is 2, right?
Yes, sir.
3 6 difference is 3. If you write all the differences, there is a pattern we understood. Plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3. So 13 plus 3 is 16 and 16th letter is P, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll continue the next question. In a certain code language, computer is written as RFUVQNPC. So we have to identify what is the pattern that they are using. Okay, so let's write computer here. Computer is coded as RFUVQNPC. So we have to identify how did we get this. Okay, then we have to identify the code of medicine. Okay, so I can see it is a reverse order, but only the last one is remaining as it is same. So let's check this C and C. They are same, but the other one O plus 1 is P, M plus 1 is N, P plus 1 is Q, U plus 1 is V, T plus 1 is U, E plus 1 is F. That means R plus, sorry, R is same as R. That means what is the pattern they are following? First and last, they are remaining as it is, but the other letters are added plus 1 and changing the order. So let us apply the same pattern on this. M and E are not going to change. They will be same. So M will come here as it is and E will come here as it is. Except that remaining all are going to become plus 1. So what is E plus 1? E plus 1 is F. What is D plus 1? D plus 1 is going to become E. I plus 1 is going to be J. C plus 1 is going to be D. I plus 1 is J. And N plus 1 is O. So E O J D J E E O J E J D J E O J D JEFM. Yes, I have seen option D. Answer D. So any doubts here? Lokesh? Yes, Lokesh?
Sir, I not understand the question.
See, only it's very simple. First and last letters as it is, they are changed, but the remaining letters are added one. That's it. Okay. And reversing the order. See, computer, last letters are C and R. C as it is C, R as it is R. But the remaining letters are added one. That means O. O next letter is O next letter is P. M next letter is N. P next letter is Q. I hope you understood the pattern. Yes, Lokesh? Lokesh? Lokesh, you're not. Yeah, tell me.
More doubt.
Tell me what is that?
Sir, 111.
111.
Yes, sir.
Why were you not asking previously? Yes, tell me.
Sir, unify. What is
Unify
the meaning
means
of unify?
unify means attaching all of them together, grouping all of them together. Segregation means separating the things. Unify means grouping the things together. Okay, that is opposite words. Yes,
Sir, one more question.
yes.
Sir, what is the meaning of uncertain?
Uncertain means we cannot decide either it is true or false. We don't know. But for that question, we got false. Sanvi, Sanvi,
Sir,
you have any doubts?
sir, 117.
117. Yes.
Sir, when they ask relation between A, they asked A to D, how we can write B to D?
B to D. B to D, we cannot identify. Either it is granddaughter or grandson. But they didn't ask about B, right? Suppose the same
Sir,
question they asked. Suppose the same question they asked, how is B related to D? What will be your answer?
sir, granddaughter or grandson?
That yeah, same option will be given. Granddaughter or grand son will be given. Then you have to choose that option. Okay? Because their gender is not revealed, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why granddaughter or grandson. But A's
Sir,
gender is revealed by saying A is B's sister. We know A's gender is female. That's why we can say granddaughter. Okay?
sir, D to B?
D to B. That means how is D related to B you're asking?
Yes, sir.
Then it is grandfather because D's gender is revealed plus. Yes?
Okay.
Okay. So Shivansh? Shivansh?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you explain 118 question?
118.
Yes, sir.
118 is very simple. First and the last letters are going to be the same, and remaining all letters are going to be plus 1. O plus 1. That means O next letter is P. M next letter is N.
And
P next letter is Q. U next letter is V. T next letter is U. Same process you do in the medicine. That is, M and E are going to be same. Remaining all of them are going to be the next letters. E next letter is F. D next letter is E. And like that you write all of them. Okay?
okay, sir.
We'll continue with the next question. 119. Southeast becomes north, northeast becomes west, and so on. What will west become? So first, let us show the directions again. North, east, west, south, northwest, northeast, southeast, and southwest. These are the directions. If southeast becomes north, southeast is becoming north. So how southeast is becoming north? That means from southeast to north, what is the pattern we are following? One step, second step, and third step. That means 3 steps. We are going in clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. So clock moves in this direction? No, clock moves opposite of that. So this is anti-clockwise direction. So we understood anti-clockwise direction, 3 steps it is moving. So then southeast became north. Now they also said northeast becomes west. Start from northeast. So northeast is here. Northeast is becoming west. Go anti-clockwise 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Yes, we reached west. So the same pattern again. Go anti-clockwise direction, 3 steps. Now they're asking what will west become? Start from west and you go 3 steps in the anti-clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3. So we are reaching southeast is our answer. That is option C. Very simple question. So going anti-clockwise in 3 steps and you'll get the answer C. Next one. What will come at the place of the question mark? So 10, 100, 200, 310 and dash. So first let's check the differences. 10 and 100 difference is 90. 100 and 200 difference is 100. 200, 310 difference is 110. And next difference we have to identify. So the differences are also increasing in a particular order, that is 10. 90, 100, 10 increased. 100, 110, 10 increased. So the next difference should be 120. If you want, you can write 10 here. You can write 10 here. So 120. So we should add 310 and 120, that is 430. Option C. So doubt still here, you can raise a hand. Nishika. Nishika, are you there?
Yeah.
Adit?
Sir, I did not understood question, sir.
Which
Sir, 112.
this one?
One, yes, sir.
This one only, Adit?
Yes, sir.
It's very simple question, right? This shaped triangles, how many you got?
Sir, 4.
Not 4, 8. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many we got?
8.
8. Now, somewhat bigger sized triangles, let us take. This sized. How many are there this sized?
Sir, 4.
4. 8 is for 12, that's it. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Sarish? Sarish?
Sir, 120 not understand.
120. Yes, this one. The given numbers are 10, 100, 200, 310 and dash. First write the difference between 10 and 100. 10 and 100, what is the difference?
90.
90. 100, 200 difference?
100.
100. 200, 310 difference?
110.
110. So I identified any pattern 90, 100, 110.
Yes, sir.
They're increasing by 10, 10, right?
Yes, sir.
So increase 110 by 10, it will be 120, right? So now to get the required number, 310 and 120 you add, you'll get 430, isn't it?
Yes.
Very simple.
Yes, sir.
Srivardhan, you raised a hand and moved it back.
Sir,
What's your doubt?
sir, please explain 117 again.
Is it 117 or 117?
Sir, 117. Sir, 117.
Yeah, 117 only. Which part of the question you didn't understand?
Sir, third one.
See, first of all, have you practiced blood relation all questions again and again? I
Yes, sir.
solved blood relation questions so many times on the board also.
Yes, sir.
Side by side.
Sir,
If they're older generation, you have to write top. New generation, you have to write bottom. Okay?
okay.
B and A, they are siblings.
Okay, sir. Sir. Sir.
bottom of B?
Okay, sir.
I'm asking you, top of B we should write or bottom of B we should write?
So
C.
we can. So C is top of
Because
B.
C is B's mother. Mother means older generation. We have to write top, and
Okay,
mother means female. So we have to write minus. So to remember that it
okay,
is female. And D is C's father. So D should be written on the top of C. So like that we have written. Now they are asking how is A related to D. So start from D now. D, C, what is the relation? D's daughter is C and C's child is B and B's sister is A. So B and A are brother sister or sister sister, they are siblings. So
okay, sir.
you can say a daughter's a child and it is a girl child. It will be granddaughter, right?
Yes, sir.
Shrikruti. Shrikruti. Shrikruti, yes. You're not audible. Nishan Sai. Nishan Sai.
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir.
Try to leave the class and join again. Abhyuday.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, will you explain 150 question again?
115. Yes, 115 is very simple. You are writing younger to older while going from left to right. Tanya is older than Eric. So from Eric, where I have to place Tanya? On the right or left?
Sir, left.
Right. Tanya is older than Eric. No, older one I will write on the right. So Tanya should be on the right of Eric, right? Yes.
Sir,
Cliff is older than Tanya. Where I have to write Cliff compared to Tanya? From Tanya, where I have to place Cliff? Right or left?
sir, at left.
Right again. Cliff is older than Tanya. Older one I am writing on the right. That is my order. Now you check Eric and Cliff. They said Eric is older than Cliff. Do you think it is true or false?
Sir, false.
That's why it is option B. So we'll move to the next question. That is this one. Which one set of letters, when sequentially placed at the gaps between the letters, shall complete it? So we have to identify the proper pattern so that to fill the letters and give a proper order. So let me write it. Dash A, dash A, B, dash B, dash A, B, A, dash, dash, A, B, A, B. So first let us count the total number of letters. I told you one trick. One, I'm counting here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 total. So try to check the factors of 15. So we know the factors of 15, 1. So don't take 1. Take the next one, that is 3. Try to divide 3, 3. Dash AB, dash B dash, ABA, dash dash A, BAB. Any pattern we identified? No, there is no pattern we identified. So 3 is not working here. So next factor of 15 is 5. So 5 is a factor of 15. Divide 5, 5 letters. 5, 5, 5. Now you identified any pattern. Yes, I identified the pattern. See, the last letter is B, B. So here also the last letter you write B. And the second letter is AAA, third letter is BBB, and the fourth letter is AAA. And how I have to fill the first letter? Either I can fill A or I can fill B. Okay. If I fill A, so it's going to be AAA. So what is order for that? So the blanks filled ones are A, 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 B, A. That is option D is correct. But in place of the first letters A, we can also write B. Then in that case, it's going to be BAB, BB. I think it's not there in the options. That's why we are writing A only. That is option D. D is correct. Next question. Before that, any doubts in this? No doubts? Udviksha? Udviksha, you raised hand. Udviksha?
Sir,
Yes, what is your doubt?
sir, I did not understood, sir.
See, there are 15 letters total, right? I'm dividing 5 letters. That means total I got 3 groups. So every group is became AA, BAB. You can see here. AA, BAB, AA, BAB, AA, BAB. So there is a particular pattern is following or not.
Yes, sir.
So to get this pattern, what are the blanks I have filled?
Okay, sir.
This one I have filled A. This one I have filled A, B,
B
A.
A.
Answer is A, B, A. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sever them. Sever them.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, we can use B also now.
Option B, you're saying BBAAB.
Sir, 120 in 121.
Yeah,
B A B
I
A
told you
B
already. You can write B. You can write B. You can write B here. But the correct option is not given in one of the given options, right?
A. Hmm.
You write B's, it is going to be BAB, BB. But there is no BAB, BB, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why we are going with A. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Saurish. Saurish. No doubts? Okay, go to the next one. 122. So very simple question from fractions. So 2, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, and next one we have to identify. So 2, 1, the relation is 2 divided by 2, you get 1. And 1 divided by 2, you'll get 1 by 2. 1 by 2 divided by 2, you'll get 1 by 4. So how? So fractions you can check once. 1 by 2 divided by 2. So 2, there is no denominator, we can write 1. So fractions division we discussed. First fraction as it is, division become multiplication, second fraction become reciprocal. So it's going to be 1 by 4. And now again we have to divide by 2. So what is 1 by 4 divided by 2? It's going to be 1 by 8. Option B. Next. 123. Choose a correct alternative that has the same relation. So here we have to identify the pattern. So first let us write the letters to number, corresponding number, then we can identify. I think without writing numbers also we get. See here. S, C, D, T, E, F, U, G, H. Fourth group we should find dash dash dash. And this is W, K, L. First let us concentrate on the first letters. S, T, U, dash, W. So what should be filled? V. Increasing by one letter, that is S, T, U, V, W. Now let's go to the second one. Okay. C, E, G, dash, and K. So C to E, we missed one letter D and went to E. E to G, we missed one letter F and go to G. G, you have to miss G. H, you have to miss and go to I. And I, you miss J, skip J and go to K. So we got that. And next, D to F, third letter. D, skip E, go to F. E, skip G and go to H. H, skip I, go to J. From J, skip K, go to L. So the answer is this VIJ. That is option C. So two more questions. After that, I'll take doubts. In intelligence, last two questions. If way is coded as 679, May is coded as 579, then YAW will be coded as. So how the letters are getting coded? So I told you this is direct letter coding because the same letter is getting repeated and same code is getting repeated. So let me write way is coded as 679 and May is coded as 579, and we should get the code for YAW. So how I identified that it is a direct letter coding? You can see Y9, Y9. So it is common. So wherever Y you can see, there you can write 9. And you can see A7, A7. So wherever you see A, you can write 7. And W, because it is direct letter coding, 6 you should write. 976 is the code. That is option A. Now, the last question in intelligence. In a class of 45 students, Amir's rank from the top is 16th. Ashok is 6 ranks below Amir. What is Ashok's rank from the bottom? So total the number of students is 45. Amir's rank from the top is 16th and Ashok is 6 ranks below Amir. What is Ashok's rank from the bottom? So what we do is first from the top, Amir's rank is 16th. From the top, Amir's rank is 16th, and they said Ashok's rank is 6 ranks below Amir. Below means the number should be more. Okay, it's not 16 minus 6. Suppose we say any exam, first rank student, second rank student, third rank student. The third rank student is 2 ranks below first rank or above first rank? Below. So for ranks below means we have to add. So 16 plus 6 is going to be 22nd. So Ashok's rank from the top, 22nd from the top, 22nd from the top. Now we have to identify Ashok's rank from the bottom. So I gave you one formula: top rank plus bottom rank is equal to total plus 1. This is order ranking formula. So the sum of the ranks from both ends, top and bottom, will be equal to 1 more than the total. So what is his top rank? Rank from the top is 22. Rank from the bottom we don't know. Let us call it X. Total students is 45 plus 1. So you're going to get 22 plus X is 46. Transpose plus 20 to the right. So X is equal to 46 minus 22. It's going to be 24. So 24th from the bottom. Option C. So with this, we are done with intelligence discussion. So any doubts in the last 3 questions? Abhyuday?
Sir, question 134.
Speak loudly, Abhyuday. Yeah, 124.
Sir, way is coded as 679
Yes.
and YAW is reverse of way.
W, M, are they same? They are not same, right?
Sir, no, sir. Sir, way and YAW, they are reverse in order.
Where reverse WAY and YAW. Yeah, you can take that also. But directly we cannot decide like that. To know it is direct letter coding, we need to check may also whether the same letter is coded the same number or different number. Suppose if it is different number, we have to think differently. That's why you have to consider all the groups. Okay. Nishika. Nishika.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, while you were explaining, your voice is talking, sir.
Okay, this lecture will be recorded and you can review later. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Shivansh.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you explain 123?
123.
Yes, sir.
123. It is a relation between all the first letters, all the second letters, and all the third letters. Okay. In all the groups, what are the first letters? S, T, U, dash, W. So what will you fill the dash? S, T, U, dash, W.
Sir, V.
V. Now, second letters, you identify the relation. All the second letters. C, E, G, dash, K. So between C and E, one letter they skipped, right? D.
Yes, sir.
So C and G, which letter is skipped?
Sir, F.
Like that, you skip the letters and write. And the third letters also skipping pattern only. Okay.
Sir, okay.
Rutvik? Rutvik.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, that's like one place, one plus one, plus two also, no?
Oh, yeah, you can do that. You can write numbers and you can write +1, +2, no problem. Okay. Nishant. Nishant, what is your doubt?
Sir,
What is your
125.
125? Yes, this one.
Not understood, sir.
See, there are total. So those who don't understand 125, take once again. I'm explaining. Total 45 students are there in the class. Amir's rank from the top is given 16, and they said Ashok is 6 ranks below Amir. Below Amir means we have to add 6 or minus 6.
Sir, minus.
Don't do minus in ranks. Whenever they say 6 ranks below Amir means, see Nishan.
Sir,
So while giving ranks, less number is valuable or more number is valuable?
more.
No, less number. First rank is more valuable than third rank, right? Who is better at studies, first rank or third rank?
Sir, third.
Third rank is better. No, according to the marks, first position means first rank is better than third rank by how many ranks? 2 ranks. So we say third rank is 2 ranks below first rank. So in ranks, whenever below is mentioned, we have to add, not subtract. So Ashok is 6 ranks below Amir. So we have to add 6. 16 plus 6 is 22. So what is Ashok's rank from the top? 22nd from the top. And we know the formula from order ranking chapter. Top rank plus bottom rank is equal to total plus 1. So from top his rank is 22. From bottom his rank we don't know, let us call it x. Total is 45. And using this equation and transposing, you'll get the value of x, that is 24th. So his rank, Ashok's rank from the bottom is 24th. Is it okay, Nishant?
Sir,
Charvika, what is your doubt? Charvika?
sir, 121, 122 doubt.
121. 121.
122.
Okay, 122. 122, they are fractions. From 2, how we got 1? You have to divide by 2, right? 2 divided by 2 is 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
And again, 1 divided by 2 is 1 by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Again, 1 by 2 divided by 2 is 1 by 4, right?
Yes, sir.
So every time we are dividing by 2. So 1 by 4 also you have to divide by 2. See here, 1 by 4 divided by 2 we should do. 2, there is no denominator, we can write 1.
Yes, sir.
How to divide fractions? First fraction as it is. Division become multiplication. Second fraction become reciprocal. Sarvika, ask Hansvika to sit far from you so that it won't resound.
Sir,
Ask Hansvika to sit far.
okay.
1 by 4 into 1 by 2, you'll get 1 by 8. The answer is B. Okay?
Okay.
Saivardhan? Saivardhan?
Sir,
Yes?
so one. Sir, 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 123 question.
123, yes? Yes, Saivardhan? What is your doubt in this?
Sorry, sir, 124.
124. Yes, what
So
is your
not
doubt?
understand.
See, very simple. Wherever you see W, there 6 is going to be the code. Wherever you see A,
Yes, sir.
7 is going to be the code. Similarly, they're asking for Y. Y, what is there? 9. A,
9.
what is there? 7. W, what is there? 6. 9, 7, 6. That's it.
Okay.
This is very simple, direct letter coding. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Intelligence, all the questions are done, and we'll move to mathematics. So, mathematics, first question, simplify this. So, this is simplification chapter. Let me write the question again. 7 plus 5 minus 2 into 7 plus 89 minus 94 divided by 2 plus 33 divided by 3 plus 9 into 2 minus 7 bracket close divided by 11. So this question, we can write all the steps, or I told you to use pencil and eraser for this type of questions to follow the order. So I will also be using the eraser and pen to write. So we have to use the order, that is V board mass. V board mass. Okay, V for vinculum. There is no V for vinculum here. Brackets are there. So first you need to solve this bracket and you need to solve this bracket first before doing any other operation. So first bracket I am doing 7 plus 89. So 7 plus 89. I will erase 7 plus 89 and I will write there 7 plus 89 is 96. So let me erase this part and write 96 here. So this is 96. And next bracket. In this bracket, we have many operations. Which operation to do first? We know D mass. First, you need to do division. This one, 33 divided by 3. So what is 33 divided by 3? 33 divided by 3 is 11. So let's erase this part and write 11 here. And next, we should do multiplication. D mass after D, M. So we need to do 9 into 2. What is 9 into 2? Erase this part and write here 18. Now, add all the positive numbers, that is 11 and 18 are positive, that is 29, and 29 minus 7 is 22. So erase this completely and write 22 inside this bracket. So this bracketed value we got 22. So we can write here 22. Now brackets are over. Check for off. There is no off here. And D for division. Yes, divisions are there. So 94 divided by 2. What is that? 47. So let's write 47 here. And there is one more division operation, that is 22 divided by 11. We know it is 2. So right here 2. See, as we are writing all the steps, it is simplifying. So divisions are over. Next multiplications. 2 into 96. So it is going to be 2 into 96 is going to be 192. And next only plus and minus are remaining. So add all the positive numbers. 7, 5, 2. They are positive. So 7 plus 5 plus 2. You'll be getting 14. Add all the negative numbers. 192 and 47. So getting 9 and 23. That is 239. From smaller number, you are subtracting bigger number. You'll get a negative answer. But subtract 9 minus 4 is 5. And 3 minus 1 is 2. Minus 225. That is option B is correct. Okay. So any doubts here in this solution can raise a hand. I'll explain again. Vedashree. Vedashree.
Sir, this question is not understood.
Come again. This question you didn't understand. Yes, Vedashree. Vedashree, this question only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I did it using erasing method, right? Let me write the steps, okay, so that you may follow the second time. So students, I have solved it for the first time in erasing method. Now let me write all the steps one by one. So I'm writing the question again. 7 plus 5 minus 2 into 7 plus 89 minus 94 divided by 2 plus 33 divided by 3 plus 9 into 2 minus 7 divided by 11. Okay. First, V board mass, V for vinculum not there, B for bracket. There are two brackets. So the first bracket, 7 plus 89, this we have to solve and this we have to solve. Okay. So for 7 plus 89, I am writing. Remaining you write as it is. 7 plus 5 minus 2 into. Vedashree, what is 7 plus 89?
So 7 plus 89 is equals to
Why that much time? Say fast. 96. 96 minus 94 divided by 2 plus. Now this bracket. So first we have to solve division. Okay. 33 divided by 3. That we have to write 11. So I'm writing here 11. And next we have to do multiplication. 9 twos are 18. Okay. And next we will solve this bracket. Brackets are still there. Let us simplify this. Remaining I am writing as it is. 7 plus 5 minus 2 into 96 minus 94 divided by 2 plus, what is 7 plus 18 minus 7? 11 plus 18 is 29 and 29 minus 7 is 22. So 22 divided by 11. Now brackets are over. Then off. There are no OF off. Then differ division. So here is a division and here is a division. Let us simplify them and write in the next step. 7 plus 5 minus 2 into 96 minus 47. 94 divided by 2 is 47 plus 22 divided by 11 is 2. Now multiplications. Divisions are over, multiplication. So this multiplication we have to solve. 7 plus 5, 96 into 2, that is 192 minus 47 plus 2. So add all the positive numbers. 7, 5, 2, they are positive. So you'll be getting 14, and these two you add, you'll be getting 239. If you subtract, you'll be getting minus 225. That is option B. So I don't suggest writing all the steps like this. It will take place and time. So even in the exam, you can carry pencil and eraser and do it in the erasing method. Erase step by step, and you can write the numbers to get the answer. Okay. So answer is minus 225. Atreya? Atreya,
Sir,
you have any doubts?
question only, sir.
This question, the order we have to solve the simplification is V board mass. You know what is V for vinculum, B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. In that order, we have to simplify. So first I checked all the brackets and simplified. After the brackets are over, division, then multiplication. In that order, we have to do. So any particular step you have not followed, you can tell me.
Sir, I learned board mass, but V board mass means what, sir?
V for vinculum. So for example, you have this kind of question. 1 minus 2 plus 7 under the bar. The bar is nothing but the vinculum. Okay. Yes. First of all, before the brackets, we have to open vinculum. So what is this 2 plus 7?
9.
9. So we have to write 1 minus 9 and the answer is minus 8. So this bar is nothing but your vinculum. Okay. That should be done first before the brackets. Okay. Okay. We'll go to the next question. So the next question is, next question. The average weight of 20 boys in a class is 160 kilogram, and that of the remaining 5 boys is 50 kilogram. Find the average weight of all the boys in the class. So there are actually two groups. So this is the first group. 20 boys are there, and their average weight is 160 kilogram. And there are remaining 5 boys. Their average weight is 50 kilogram. We should find the total class average weight. Okay. See, we know average formula is equal to sum of the observations by number of observations. But from this, we can also get one more thing, that is number is dividing here. If you transpose to the left, it will multiply. So some formula will be average into number. So you can remember both of them. Average is sum by number, and some formula you can remember average into number. So this is average. I'm sorry. This is number and this is average. Now I want the sum of them, sum of all their weights. So we should do average into number. So multiply these two. 160 into 20. 16 twos are 32 and use 2 zeros. So sum of all these 20 students' weight is 3,200 kilograms. And similarly, this group 50 into 5 is going to be 250. Now for the total class, I want the sum. Okay, it's going to be 3,200 plus 250. It's going to be 3,450. Now I can find the total average of the class. Sum of all the students' weight, we got 3,450. Now total how many students are there? 20 plus 5. Total 25. So 25 divisibility rule we know. Last two digits 50. Yes, divisible. So start dividing directly by 25. 25 ones are 25. 34 minus 25 is 9. 9 5 becomes 95. 25 threes are 75. 95 minus 75 is going to be 20. 20 0 200. 25 eights are 200. So the average weight of the whole class is 138 kilograms, and it is option A. Any doubts in this can raise a hand. Students, any doubt you have in this, you can raise a hand. Discuss now. Vihan, what is your doubt? Vihan,
Voice is talking.
come again.
Their voice is talking.
Try to leave the class and join again. Shivansh?
Sir,
Yes, Shivansh, what is your doubt?
sir, can you explain second question?
The average formula is sum by number, and from that we can find the sum formula. Sum will be average into number. Okay.
Sir.
There are 20 students in the class, and their average weight is 160. I want sum of their weights. So what I should do? Average into number. 160 into 20. What will you get? 3200. 160 into 20, you will get 3200. That is the sum of all the weights of those 20 boys. And there is another group, that is five students are there in that group. We want their sum. So 50 and 5 you multiply, you'll get 250. Okay. 250 is the sum of those 5 students' weight. So if you add these two, you'll get the sum of all the weights of the total class. Then average you'll be getting sum of the observations by number of observations, 3450. But totally should not write 20, you should write 25. Two groups should be there, 20 plus 5, 25. And after doing cuttings, you get 138. Yes, Saurish? Saurish? Saurish, what is your doubt?
Sir, first question didn't understand, sir.
First question I explained twice, right? Once in the erasing method, and second time I explained in the writing all the steps also. So simplification, the order to open is V board mass. Okay, in that order we have to write first wing club, then bracket, then off, and so on. Okay, simplification chapter again I am going to revise after completing the paper discussion. Okay, again maths I am going to revise from the beginning. Then you can follow every chapter. Okay.
Okay.
So let's go to the next question. The average marks obtained by 7 students in a group is 226. If the marks obtained by 6 of them are given, 340, 180, 260, 56, 275, and 307 respectively, find the marks obtained by the 7th student. So 7th student, how many marks did they got? We don't know. So let's call it a variable x. So we know average is sum of the observations by number of observations. So average is given already 226. Now let us write the sum of observations. First one is 340, 180, 260, 56, 275, 307. Seventh student marks we don't know. Let us call it a variable x divided by. Now total how many students are there? 7. So from this equation, by transposing, so we get the value of x. So let us add the numbers first. 226 is equal to, add all of them. So let me add here only 5, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 0, 18, 0, 0. So I got 18, 8, 1 carry, let us write. So 1 plus 0, 1, 8, 13, 19, 27, and 31. 1, 3 carry, and use 3 carry here. 3 plus 3, 6, 8, 10, 11, 14. So 1418 divided by 7. Now, here we have plus x. Okay, now 7 you can transpose to the left side, you'll be getting 7 is dividing. If you transpose on the other side, you'll multiply. That is 226 into 7. You'll be getting 1418 plus x. So 226 into 7. So let me calculate. 226 into 7, 1400, 140 and 42. So you'll be getting 1582 is equal to 141836. You want x value. So this is adding. You transpose to the left, it will subtract. So x value is equal to 1582 minus 1418. So after doing subtraction, so you'll be getting 164. So that is answer D. So the 7th student marks are 164. So this is also based on average concept. So average in this year we got 2 questions. So average is sum of the observations by number of observations. Atreya, what is your doubt? Atreya?
Sir, we can do first all members marks add and average into members making and subtract doing like coming now, sir.
Yeah, same thing. Here I have written average formula, but if you don't write average formula, just you write sum is equal to average into number. Okay, you can do it. So average is given how much? 226, and number is given 7. You just multiply them, and from them you subtract the sum of all of them that you will get. It is also the same formula, but steps are different. That's it. Okay. Here also same thing we did now. 7 while transposing, we will be multiply them and we'll be subtracting this number after transposition. So both are same, but steps are different. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll go to the next one. Yes, again simplification. So let me use erasing method. 8 plus 4 minus 2 into 17 minus 12 into 10 minus 89. So let's apply V-board mass. V for vinculum, not there. B for bracket. Yes, there are 2 brackets. So first let us solve this bracket. Add all the positive terms. 8 plus 4 is 12 and 12 minus 2 is 10. Erase this part and write 10 here. So this is 10. And now the second bracket. 17 minus 12. This is going to be 5. So erase this and write 5 here. And now D for division, not there. M for multiplication. Yes, these 3 we can multiply at a time. 10 into 5 into 10 is going to be 10 tens are 100, 100 into 5, 500. So we can write 500. So 500 minus 89, the final answer is going to be this one. Final answer is going to be 411, option B. So I did using erasing method. If you want, you can write steps as well. Okay. So let's go to the next question. Simplify this expression. 0.05 plus 1.5 into 5 divided by 10 into 0.5. Okay, first D for division. This one, 5 divided by 10. We can directly write it into decimal. 5 by 10 we know 0.5. So let us erase this and write 0.5. So this is 0.5. And next, after division, we have to do multiplication. So this one, 1.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. So how to do multiplication of decimals? So first, you think decimal is not there and multiply all the numbers as it is. 15 into 5 into 5. So 15 into 25 we can do. 15 into 25. So you'll be getting 125, 512 carry 25. That is 37. We got 375. But how many decimals we have to introduce? 1, 2, 3. In 375, we introduce 3 decimals. So we'll be getting 0.375. 0.375. Now you can add. While adding decimal, you arrange between decimal like this, and you can add 5, 12, 2, 1 carry 4. So 0.425, option C. Any doubts till here? You can raise a hand. So 5 questions are done in maths. Remaining we'll take it tomorrow. So any doubts till here? You can raise a hand. Saurish. Saurish.
Sir, fourth question I didn't understand, sir.
Fourth question, you can write steps. Okay, I have did in erasing method, right? You can write the steps you understand. So I'll do it for you again.
Okay, sir.
Sorry, you practice both methods, writing steps and erasing method. Erasing method will save so much of time and you can get the answer quickly.
Okay.
8 plus 4 minus 2 into 17 minus 12 into 10 minus 89. So first V for vinculum is there? Not there. V for bracket is there. So let us solve both the brackets. So this bracket I want to calculate. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 minus 2 is 10. I write 10. What is 17 minus 12? 5
Why?
into 10 minus 89. So multiply all of them. Okay, that is 500. 500 minus 89, you'll be getting 411. That's it. Answer B. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any other doubts left? Lokesh, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Lokesh? Yes.
sir, I not understand first question.
First question. Yes, first question also same simplification. V board mass you can apply. So I have written steps also, right? So first we have to check for vinculum, then bracket, then off. In that order we have to do. So every step by step I have simplified. Which step you have not followed, you can ask. I'll explain from that. Which step?
That's second step.
Second step. Yes. In second step, what I did is this bracket I have simplified. 7 plus 89 is 96. Right? 33 divided by 3 is 11. 9 into 2 is 18. That's it. And remaining everything is same. And from there, slowly I simplified in that order. Any other step you have not followed? No?
Fourth step.
Fourth step, what I did. So division I have to do. 94 divided by 2 is 47. 22 divided by 11 is 2. Okay? And then everything is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, students, that's it from today's class. So leave your feedback in the chat box and you can leave the class.
Okay, sir.